Macele and Masaule, Musamseleku's late wife, their relationship was not good. Musamseleku decided to marry the second wife, but Macele, she doesn't accept at all. Yes, her family accept that Musamseleku can marry the second wife, but Macele in her heart, she doesn't accept Masaule at all. So they don't spend time together, and Musamseleku was looking very close to Masaule more than Macele. Musamseleku, everything he is doing, or to take another third wife, Mayeni knows Masaule, but Mayeni, she was not too close with Macele at that time. And Makhumalo knows Masaule, Mangwabe knows Masaule. What about Macele? Because at that time, Musamseleku understand that Macele, she doesn't not understand to have Istanbul like Mayeni. You know that Musamseleku hide some of the things to Mayeni because Mayeni doesn't understand. Mayeni doesn't accept to have Istanbul at all. Like Macele at that time, Macele, she doesn't understand that Musamseleku to share her husband with other people. That's why Macele, she want to be alone in Sipak, not with other wives. So Masaule and Macele, they don't have a good relationship, even to talk to each other. I don't think those wives, they talk to each other like Macele, she is doing to Makhumalo, Mangwawe, and Mayeni. Yes, we know that nowadays they don't get along. But when we start watching Utando Nestembo season 1, all of them, they are together being united. Masaule didn't enjoy that opportunity other wives they have together. So at that time, Musamseleku was too close to Masaule. If you want to take another girlfriend, he can tell Masaule. Masaule can keep secrets to Musamseleku, as now Macele is doing now. Because Macele, yes, sisters told Macele that you have to support your husband, Musamseleku. Look at Masaule. Last time, Masaule was too close. Masaule came after Macele. But Musamseleku trust Masaule more than Macele, because Macele at that time, she doesn't want anything to do with Musamseleku's wives. But after Masaule passed on, Macele accept, because Musamseleku doesn't force Macele to accept his girlfriend. Macele doesn't want to accept Makhumalo, Mangwawe, and Mayeni. That's why Musamseleku was explaining to Mangwawe that Macele, she was doing the way they are doing for not accepting Mangwawe, Makhumalo, Mayeni. They don't want to accept Makwela. So Musamseleku explained the reason Macele now she is accepting Istanbul, because Macele doesn't want to accept them at the first time. But Musamseleku told Macele that this is wrong. What you are doing, this is wrong. So after Masaule passed on, Macele accepted and to be with other wives, Musamseleku's wives. Macele accepted to have Istanbul, but Macele knows a game. She want to play a game with them because Mangwabe and Mayeni, they don't want Makwela. They don't want Makwela, and Macele want them to feel the pain, what she feels, because Macele feels the pain. Makhumalo, Mangwabe, they don't feel the pain what Macele she was feeling with other wives, because Makhumalo, she was too close to Musamseleku. Masaule passed on at that time. Makhumalo became Musamseleku's best wife, because all the things when Masaule was alive, Musamseleku planned with Masaule. If you want to do something, to bring another wife to do something, whatever you want to do, you can tell Masaule. So to Macele, maybe Macele was like just a wife to Musamseleku at that time. Masaule was the person who was planning many things. She was too close. Masaule was not staying in Musumbe as Macele, because Masaule have her own house, but Musamseleku was looking very too close, because Masaule understand and accept Istanbul, because Masaule accept that she is the second wife. Masaule, she doesn't at that time she was not jealous, because accept that Masaule, she was accepting that she is Musamseleku's second wife. Why she can't accept other wives, Musamseleku's girlfriend? Musamseleku was always introducing. Musamseleku accept the three of them. Mangwabe, Mayeni, and Makumalo.